Namaste. Good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back, RV online classes. Yes, today I will teach with the continue part of chapter that is number system. So I quickly one second recalling for the previous classes. Yes, students. So yesterday we have studied about that types of numbers. The types of numbers means that is last classes we have discussed that is a natural numbers, whole numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. In prime numbers means that is half is completed for the last classes for that yesterday classes. For that today, so that I will continue that the prime numbers. In prime numbers means that is 1 to between 1 to between that 50. This is completed for that in last classes. Okay, that today means I will continue that 15 between that 100. So prime numbers. Yes, students. So today I will started before I will ask the two questions. Yes, which is the smallest whole number? Yes, students. The which is the smallest whole number? Yes, that is a in the smallest whole number is 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Yes, students. In again one question. In next one question, which is the smallest in even number? Yes. Okay, that is the smallest even number is 2. Yes. I hope that last classes you understood that. So continue today. I will continue the prime numbers. Students, yesterday I gave for homework. How many members you done that? Yes, compulsory. I will give you the homework means you compulsory practice for that. So now I will continue that. So prime numbers. Prime numbers. Yes, students. In the last classes means in yesterday classes, prime numbers that is between 1 to 50. 1 to 50 between how many prime numbers? Yes, that is 15 prime numbers. One second, you recall that. So 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 1 to 10 between. So I will continue that now. 15, 52 between 50 to 100. So now I will discuss that 50 to 100. Yes, students. So that is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So that is these 2 points. Yes, 58. So 59, 60. Yes, students, just you identify this. So 51 to 60, how many prime numbers? Yes, one second, you recall the definition of the prime numbers. Prime numbers means that cannot be divisible for any number except one. Except one, it itself for that is a prime number. So best example means you find for that. So two factors. For example, in 3, so 3 is a prime number. So 3 is a prime number means how many we will have, we will have the factors, that is 2 factors, because that 1 3 is a 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 3 is a 3. How many will be factors? That is 2 factors. 1 3 1s are 3, 1 3 is a 3. So how many factors? 2 factors. So because that in prime number means that is the last, that is 2 factors. So that is a prime number. Just you identify that 51 to 60. Yes. So 51. This is a non-prime number because this is a divisible by 3 or 13 tables. So 53. Yes, this is a prime number. 53 is a prime number. In the next. Yes, 54 not, 55 no, 56 not that, 57 not. So 59 is prime number. Yes, students. So 51 to 60, how many we will have here prime numbers? That is 2 prime numbers. That is the total is, that is 53 and 59. The total 2 prime numbers. Yes. So that is 51 to or 51 to, that is 60 between the 2 prime numbers 53 and 59. Then one second. So I will write it for that in 15 is already yesterday classes I finished. So first let's finish afterwards. 1 second I recall the 1 to 15 prime numbers. Okay, that's 61. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yes, students, yeah, you identify these prime numbers. Yes. So 61. Yes, this is the prime number because only two factors. 50, 61 is a two factors. Yes, 62 not 63. No, that is a 64 not 65, 66 not. Yes, next 66. Oh, 67 is prime number. 68 not because divisible by 2. So 69 not divisible by 3. 70 is divisible 5 or that is divisible by 7 because that only two prime numbers. So 60, 61 between 70 means how many prime numbers? That is two prime numbers. 61 and 67. That is total prime numbers is two prime numbers. Just next, lost 71. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Students? Yes. So 71, yes, this is a non-divisible, only two factors because this is a prime number. 71 is a prime number. Yes, 73, yes, 73 also, that is prime number. Because 74 are divisible for 2, 75 divisible 4, 15, it is a 5, this is okay, 76, this is a 2, 6, so not, 77 is not, so 79, 78 is not, 79, yes. In 71 between 80, how many prime numbers? That is the 3 prime numbers, 71, 71, 73, 79, that is the total prime number 3. Next, that is 80, 81 to 90. Yes, 81 to 90. 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 88, 89, 90. Students, so 81, no, this because that is divisible 8 or that this is a factors of 3. This is a factor of 3. 83, this is a factor only 2 factors because this is a prime number. Yes. In the last 84 not, 85 no, that is 86 is a not because you know that is divisible by 6, 2, that is the 3 factors. In the last 89, yes. So that 81 between that is a 90, how many will have prime numbers? That is a 2 prime numbers, 83 and 89. 83 and 89. The total is how many? The total prime numbers? 2 prime numbers. In the last up to, I will explain for that now. 52, that is 100. So 51 to that is 100. So now you write 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, students, second you observe these numbers. Yes, 91 is not because that this is a factor 3. Yes, 90, 92 not. Only one prime number in 91 to 90 in between 100. Yes, that is the 97. Only one prime number. Yes, students, this is important. One question means the between 91 to 100, how many will have prime numbers? That is one prime number. So that is a 97. Yes, that is 97 is one prime number. Yes, students, the total. So 50 to 100 means in 51 to 100, how many prime numbers means? The total means 2 to 4, 4 plus 2, that is a what? So 4 plus 3 means 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that is 10. Yes, students, that is 10. So this is the prime numbers means. So 51 to 100, that between total prime numbers is 10. prime numbers. Prime numbers what? That is the yes 10. So once again I recall that 1 to 15 I will writing for year 1 to 15 that is that okay 2 is prime number, you know, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 17, 19, 23. Yes, students, 23. The next means 29, 29, 31, 37, 40, 41, 43, 47. Students, so this is prime numbers. In the last classes I explained further. This is a 1 to 15 between the total prime numbers is 15. So total is 15 prime numbers. Yes, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These are, so that is a prime numbers 1 to 15s. Okay, the total prime numbers is 15. Yes, students, that is the total is 15. Yes, one question means I lost one question. 1 to 100, that is 1 to 100 between how many prime numbers? Yes, you count it. Here is a 50, 1 to 50 is 50. So 51 to 100, 100 means 10. So total is 25. Yes, students. So the 1 to 10 means 1 to 100, that is between total prime numbers is 25. Yes, students, don't forget. One second, you try write this. Note down for this is all is very important for the prime numbers in competitive exam performs. This is some important for this. So don't forget. Yes, students, total means the total means 51, 2, that is 100 is total. Yes, that is it. So 51 to 16 between is 2 prime number, 53 and 59. So next is a 61 2, that is a 70. So how many prime numbers? 2 prime numbers, 61 and 67. So again what? That 2 prime numbers, 71 between that 80 means that is the total is 3 prime numbers, that is a 71, 73 and 79. Yes, that is 81 2. That is 81 2. 81 to that 90, that is the between is 3 prime numbers, that is 80, sorry, 2 prime numbers, 83 and 89. 91 between that 100 total prime numbers is only 1 prime number. Yes, students, so that will you observe that is the 90 between that 100, only one prime number is, that is 97. Okay, yes, note down children this. So next means, so in last classes in yesterday classes, so all that is natural numbers, whole number, odd number, even number is completed. The prime numbers is, so last is up to 1 to 15 between completed the numbers. So today is 51 to that is 100 now is completed. Then again next one point that is integer. Yes, so completed this. Students, you don't forget to, so that is a 1 to, that is 1 to 50 between that, 50 between that, so that is the total prime number is 15. So 51 to 100 between that is the 10 prime numbers. So total 1 to 100, so between that prime numbers is total 25 prime numbers. Know that the definition of the prime numbers, so that is prime number is that cannot be any, that is cannot be divisible for any number except 1. So because that is the 27. So prime number is in only 2 factors. That is, you know, so definition also you did that by that, because some important of the in prime numbers is chapters. Students, the next concept, next point in last point, integer. that is the integer. So that is, once again you recall that natural numbers, the set of all counting is a natural numbers. The set of all counting natural numbers with 0, that is a whole number. But the integer means the set of all numbers along with the negative numbers. Along with that negative numbers are called, that is integers. In integers means in generally denoted by, that is capital Z. That is a yes. So 0 means that is a that 0 is the neither or not, or that is a positive or negative, that is numbers for that 0. Yes. So you now write the definition for integer. The set of all whole numbers along with yes, that is important, along with the negative numbers. Negative numbers are called integers. So, yes, students, just you observe this. The integers means the set of all whole numbers. You know that whole numbers, that is the starting of the whole numbers, very smallest whole number is 0. That is starting of the whole numbers means that is a 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on that. So the set of whole numbers along with, this is negative number, this is more important. The 2 points is more important, this sentence. So this is the whole numbers. Whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. So generally denoted by, it is generally denoted by, that is a capital Z. Yes. First point we write that. So it is denoted by, so that is capital Z. Yes, students, capital Z. Yes, students. In next, so positive, the positive numbers positive numbers. So +1, +2, +3. So on. For example means, that is a example of the integer means, you know that. So -2, -2, -1, 0 from +1, +2, +3. So on, that is the example of the integers. So that is, it is denoted by Z. So positive, that is positive numbers is, that is a +1, +2, +3, +4, that is it, so on. Yes. So in negative numbers, negative integers means in negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, so on. Yes. Next point. Next means, that is O is neither negative or positive. Students, that is already I told O means that is neither or, that is negative. Yes, you write the points. Yes, 0 is neither or, means that is a negative, nor positive. Students, the integer means that generally denoted by is capital Z. The set of all numbers, the set of all numbers along with that is negative numbers. So are called that is integers. So that is example of, for example of the that is integers means that Z is equal to -3 plus -2 -1. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So on that. So some point means. So integers is generally the denoted by already you know that is a capital Z. So the positive integers means that is a positive integers that is you write the plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, so on that. So negative integers means so -1, -2, -3, -4, so on that. So infinity. So in 0 means this is important to remember this point. 0 is the that is neither negative or that nor positive. So this is important the points for that. 0 means so this is nor positive or that is a neither negative numbers. Okay students. So this is a completed. So these the types of the numbers means that is completed for that 6 points. So this is the point. Okay students. You completed this? Yes, students. So some exercises I will solve for tomorrow in continue classes. So this is completed for that basic that all points. So for second, so now I will giving for that. Yesterday I gave already homework. Today also I will giving for homework. So you write the definition of the prime numbers and one question. Yes, students. So you write this homework. Which is the smallest? Yes, first question. Prime number between prime numbers that is between 1 and 25. That is a dash. We completed this. So in the second one question. What is the smallest whole number? Students, so yes, so today classes is completed. Tomorrow I will explain solve for some exercises. Okay children, thank you.